Hi friends, I'm back again to make you another handy dandy how-to video. And although the COVID crazy has probably well set in and I have this video somewhere in my cloud storage somewhere, I cannot find it. So I'm making this video for you yet again to just show you an easy way to screencast to create videos and for your students or to demonstrate things online. The first thing that I would recommend is going to your Google Chrome browser, indicated by this colorful beach ball, either on your taskbar in the bottom or in your start menu in the bottom left corner of your device. So I like to use Google Chrome. What we're going to be using today is Screencastify, which is a Google Chrome extension. So you're first going to need to go to your search bar and look for the Chrome Web Store. Okay, and when you find that, okay, it's going to be right here, Chrome Web Store at chrome.google.com, and it's going to take you to this location. All right, when you get to the Chrome Web Store, you need to search for Screencastify. This is just one that I found is very easy for teachers and other people to use, and videos up to, I think it's 6 minutes are free. However, I do pay, I think it's $25 for an annual subscription, so I can do anything I want here and edit and overlay and add text and so forth. It's very helpful if you're looking for something to purchase. But again, it is free for short videos for your students. So once you search that and you find Screencastify and you click into here, it's going to take you directly into the extension option. And then there are some really great videos here that just show you really quick how it works if you want to review that, the reviews, different support. And over here, mine says remove from Chrome because I've already done that, but you're going to want yours and click to say add to Chrome. So once you do that, you are going to get up here in your little extension toolbar, lots of wonderful tools for you to use. I recommend, if you've never really looked at extensions, go back to the Chrome Web Store and search for all types of little tips and tricks that will help you with different tasks you need to complete for your job, for your business, or your classroom. So I'm going to find this Screencastify little icon here. And when I click it, this is what I would do once I'm ready to start a screencast or start to record something for the people that I'm working with. And when I click it, it's going to open this dialog box. And this is going to give me the option to record different things for my video. And so I can just record a tab, which is helpful. I can record my entire desktop, which is what I'm doing right now. And I can just record the webcam, which maybe would put me on screen. I do not need you to look at me, but instead the screen at this moment, so I won't be doing that. The reason that I like to choose the desktop is a lot of times in my videos, I'm navigating from one tab to the next or one application to the next. And if you happen to choose this browser tab by mistake, when you do that, your video will not show any of the other locations that you're navigating to. So I always just like to make sure to record my desktop. And Screencastify has a handy dandy editing tool also, so if you go to the wrong location, you can always just clip it out. Here it's I have the microphone on. I can just toggle it by clicking this on and off, and you can see here that it's indicating and reading my voice. If I have multiple microphones, I can click here so I can choose the appropriate microphone option. If I want, I can click here and embed my webcam. And that just means it's going to have a little pop-up in my video of my face and my conversation as it's also recording my screen. I'm going to turn that off. I can click here for show more options. It will provide me with a verbal countdown. If I prefer, I can even make this longer if I need that to prompt me to get ready. I can have some drawing tools so that I can also write on top of my screen to highlight different things that I might be talking about or drawing attention to my viewers. And then, do I need system audio? Am I going to show a video clip within my own video that I need my viewers to be able to hear and listen to? Once I've chosen that, then I'm going to go ahead and click record. Now, it says at the bottom, drawing tools are unavailable on this tab. That's just because we are in the Chrome Web Store. So if I was in a PowerPoint or in another application or even another browser window or location online, this would not be there, and you could use the drawing tools for that. So let me just show you some other things. Up at the top right, This is, of course, where we get our settings, notifications, or just that, things from Screencastify, updates, things they want you to know. And then right here, this is where you're going to find your recordings. And if I click on that, Screencastify is going to naturally, or going to ask you to link to maybe your Google account. And when it does that, you will have a folder within your Google Drive specifically for your Screencastify recordings. I'll show you that in just a moment. Here on our little hamburger menu, if we click that, again, my recordings are accessible here. You can look at your subscription options. That's for the additional add-on if you would like to do that. Other options, the editor, after you've done your basic Screencastify recording, by clicking this, you can go in and clip out the pieces where you may have made an error or tripped up on your words. You can actually pull in clips from other recordings if you prefer. You can add text, special effects, and so forth. There are classroom resources and videos to help you here and here. And if you have multiple Google accounts, you can switch your accounts right here very easily so that your recordings can go to the most appropriate Google Drive folder, or you can just sign out. So right now I'm logged into my work account. And again, I can click here for my recordings, or I can click again. And I'm just going to show you, I'm going to click on here for my recordings. And so it automatically opens the folder within my Google Drive that houses all of my Screencastify recordings to date. And then I can even, let's see, I'm going to go ahead and open this crazy one. It's untitled here at the top. If I want, I can change the name right here. And I can also just go here and say open in editor. This is making a copy of your video. So now you can use the timeline at the bottom, and I can click anywhere on it. I can click cut, I can crop, I can zoom into parts of my video, which I kind of like. I can add my text anywhere, or I can delete portions by like here. I can cut it here, I can cut it here. And then I can click this section that's highlighted in yellow and I can delete. I can watch it. Again, I can zoom in and out. I can add other media. I really do like this editing version. And then most importantly, at the end, you're going to want to go to export. And when you export it, it's going to ask you if you want to export to Google Drive or as an MP4. Now, if you export to Google Drive, it's just going to create an additional edited Screencastify video, whereas I like to export the MP4 file, which will also be found within your Google Drive, but then you're going to be able to upload that MP4 file to lots of different applications, to YouTube, to your course, to your learning management system and whatnot, and the viewers don't need any specific type of video program to watch it because it's condensed it into that MP4 format. So I definitely recommend you doing that. And then when you go back again, you're going to click on your small icon in your extensions menu, back to your recordings folder, and you're going to see that some of them are going to be found right here as an MP4 format. Once you've done that, if you choose your waffle menu for your Chrome apps, I'm going to go back to my Google Drive. I'm going to find my Screencastify folder right here. As I indicated, it will create that folder for you. You don't have to do it yourself. I'm going to go ahead and click it, and then I'm going to be able to see all the videos I have available. If you look to the left and their file names, you can see that some are a WebM file and some are MP4. Once you have your MP4 format, if you want to go ahead and choose it and right click, then you can go ahead and get the share link to share. Make sure that where it says anyone with the link, you want to make sure that they can only view it. And then you're going to copy this link and share that either through an email, through your learning management system, or with whoever you're working with in order to watch your video. I hope this is helpful, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. Bye.